Kubor na Kjclf jong unong san Hima.
Menteri Berdepet Katanat Kakwat Kakya, Badua Badru Katanat An, James PK Sangma, Ïaroh Kasi Jantia Church Leaders Forum, Kaba Pynpaw Jingpyrshah, Jingwanra Casino. Nakaliang James Ulaong ba kadi ka kamram jang kasorkar ban ngap kasor ka bawanding ba kinong ilam niam baru laban rab da ka baong shen kasorkar kan sakhot jingelang ba kinong ilam niam ban kren halor kani bad ban pet komno ban chakman kani ka kam.
I think that I appreciate the concerns of the forum, and I think that it's very important for us as a government to listen to any voice of concern that comes up by a group which represents the church. And I would like to also tell you this, that I will be setting up a meeting to discuss this issue with them and to see how we can take things forward.
A lot of doctors are going to Guwahati FLOs, and in fact, if doctors in such a way start leaving our state, it will not be good for us.
I cannot, make a comment on that, because NIGRIMS is something is an institution run by the government of India. So I don't think it's in the fitness of things for me to comment on that.
Use of force against the contracted teachers who were agitating. They were annoyed and wanted to know your response to that.
No, I think that it was uncalled for, any kind of force used on not just teachers, but any section of society who wants to peacefully protest. I think it's very uncalled for and very unfortunate. It should not have happened.